What made you stop loving someone? Cheating. When the person cheats. I never stopped loving, I just stopped myself from being too available. He's just not into me. Reached breaking point and realized that I was stupid. So far, none pa naman, but I hope never naman yan mangyari. If ever I'll stop loving someone, romantically, maybe because they don't love me back anymore or they found someone new. Not saying na I'll stop loving na agad-agad once na tinapos nila, no. I'll still love them kasi pag nagmahal ang tao, I believe na hindi agad yun mawawala agad-agad. I think it will, but it'll take time. Sabi nga nila, healing takes time, so I'll just rely on time no matter how many days or years hanggang sa mag-fade away na lang to. But sadly, it doesn't mean na makakalimutan mo to. Maybe it's like the first love or greatest love na sinasabi nila. Hindi nag-level up, nanloko pa. Hindi pala kami pareho ng pahina. Hindi na siya nagparamdam. Constant gaslighting. Isusumbat lahat, akala mo hindi padre de pamilya. May anger issues, mananakit, bawal ka sumagot at maglabas ng feelings mo. Kupal. Gago. Nung na-realize kong sad boy manipulative siya after 6 years namin together. Bawal sa dinuguan. OYYYBF ko, saka ko lang nalaman na hindi sinabi agad HAHHAHAHA. Abusive. That constant unsaid pressure na I should support her despite the circumstances cause she'll feel unwanted or abandoned the moment na my weaker self slip out. If na-realize mo na di sapat ang pagmamahal lang. Nung tinutukan niya ako ng baril sa baba after pressuring him to admit the truth na alam ko na. Omoo, sorry you experienced that. Mamahalin ka lang pag nagbigay ka pera. Dishonesty, narcissistic abuse, toxicity, ultra negativity. Hindi biro magmahal ng taong narcissistic kasi they will take advantage of you and your life. Gusto nila hawak kanila sa leeg at para kang puppet. Nakakasakal. Same goes with toxicity and ultra negativity. Stress na nga tayo sa pagiging alipin ng salapi, dadagdag pa sila sa mga drama nila. Normal lang na minsan na negative tayo kasi hindi naman lagi positive at masaya ang buhay, pero saksakan ng negativity na hindi na matapos-tapos. Walang sense mabuhay ng miserable kung kaya mo naman pag-aanin at pasayahin ang mga karanasan mo sa buhay. Regardless of what role they are in my life, mauubos at mauubos ka if you tolerate them and stop loving them eventually. Nakakapagod yung puro disappointment na lang matatanggap mo tapos walang development sa character niya, and lastly puro sorry ang laman ng bibig. Kapag mukhang pera, haha, woke to his narcissism. I was manipulated and gaslighted the whole time. What a joke. Same. The continuous disappointments. When they started to disrespect me and using my love for them to use it. When she cheated. Sobrang lala na retroactive jealousy. She controlled me. She wants me to be someone I'm not. Pero kasalanan ko din kasi pinilit ko maging tao na gusto niya. Ending puro away kami pag di ko napapanindigan. Bata pa lang naman din kami noon. First love struggles. After being hurt and getting scared from all the trauma experience, it made hard to trust and choose anyone the right person to be open with. Continuous lies and betrayal. Eto, nag-hospital staycation ako nung Pasko for a life-threatening illness and I texted him about it. 2 days ako bago ni-replyan ng Wapakol's text. Okay, thanks for the lack of concern pero hindi na kita mahal. One-sided love, that's it. Finally seeing the loser I kept on excusing before. Lies, cheating, betrayal. Pag nafe-feel mo na ang energy nila na nakaka-drain, pag ini-ignore ka na dahil mayroon na silang bagong entertainment, pag ang disrespectful na nila, pag di niya na namamatch ang energy cause they don't care na, when they make you jealous on someone, pag di nila alam kung paano mag-set ng boundaries, mamurahin, war freak, kailangan validation sa mga iba't ibang tao just to make themselves giants. Pag nasusubrahan na sa pagka-dry, ini-ignore ka na ng walang dahilan, keeping a lot of promises na di naman pala matutupad, please naman wag kang mag-promise ng sure kang di matutupad just to make the person happy, green-minded, makes many excuses na di naman pala totoo, using someone for money, ghosting, selfish, nosy, no limitations, ginawang daily ang pagsisinungaling, ginagamit ka lang pala, doesn't respect your decision, doesn't respect your religion, smoker, vapor, playboy, playgirl and mga feeling depressed get acting lang yun para makakuha ng pansin. When my efforts and feelings are not reciprocated. True. Pakilakas di marinig sa pinakadulo. When my efforts and feelings are not reciprocated. Thank you umabot dito sakin. Ha 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 ha. Realized I was more of leaning from the past where things are still fine and that the present always needs to be worked on. Also figured out that no amount of care is worth it anymore. Minasama na lang lahat when I'm just genuinely concerned.